This video will help you get started with the features and functions of your new Frigidaire range. Now, let's get familiar with the controls of your range. To set your clock, touch the gear icon and then the up or down arrow until CLOC appears. Press Start. Then the up or down arrows to set the time, then press Start again to complete the process. Other buttons on your range include your cooking modes of bake and broil, convection bake, keep warm, delay start, which sets the oven to start after a specified period of time, cook time, and a timer. Here are some tips you might find useful as you begin to use your range. The timer feature is different from the cook time feature. Cook time allows you to set the desired period for your food to cook, and the oven will turn off after completion. The timer will not turn the oven off when time expires. We recommend running a test bake before cooking anything in your oven. Set your oven to bake and let it run for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius. Note, it's normal to experience some smoke and noises during this first test bake. As the temperature in your oven changes during use, you may hear noises as it expands and contracts. This is perfectly normal. Some of the other most common sounds you can expect from your appliance include the control panel making clicking sounds when the oven is operating. Your oven also contains a cooling fan that keeps the electronics cool. You may hear this fan when the appliance is operating or cooling down once it's turned off. Your range also features our convenient steam clean feature. Check your use and care manual or view our clean and care video for more on how to keep your range clean. Now you're ready to start creating yummy meals for your family. Visit Frigidaire.com to learn more about your appliance, register your product, and join the Frigidaire family. We're here to help.